In today's lesson, let us learn how to divide decimal number by whole number. Okay, so from here we have first solution. Okay, this is your long division symbol. All right, this is your divisor. Put it outside, and your dividend should be here inside. Okay, 0.214. Okay, so how many times does 8 go into 0? It's not possible. All right, so you think of number that you multiply by 8 to give us this number. Of course, it's 0. All right, so you put down 0. Okay, because 8 cannot divide 0. Okay, so remember your decimal point. You move it up, place it there. All right, so 0 times 8 will give you what? 0. Then you subtract. All right, when you subtract, you have 0 here. Okay, then you bring down 0. Okay, you go again. How many times does 8 go into 0? It's not possible. Okay, you put your 0 there. 8 times 0, you have 0. Okay, you subtract. When you subtract, you have 0. All right, you bring down 2. Okay, you have 2 here. How many times does 8 go into 2? It's not possible. So you think of number that you multiply by 8 so that your result will be less than or equal to what? 2. Of course, it's 0. All right, so since 8 cannot divide 2, put down your 0. All right, so 0 times 8, you have 0 here. Okay, so when you subtract, you have 2. Okay, so there's something to bring down. You bring down 4, making it 24. All right, how many times does 8 go into 24? It's 3 times. Okay, so you put down your 3, then you multiply 3 times 8 will give you what? 24. All right, so when you subtract, you have 0. Okay, so if you are dividing 0.024, okay, you are dividing by what? 8. Your solution will be what? 0.003. All right, press your calculator. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Bye bye.